Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So we start off today's video with this super cute bob style. It does have the bangs going there. And then we move into another bob. Now this is more of a pixie bob variation with the undercut in the back, followed by this Coca-Cola cherry cola layered hairstyle. This color is absolutely gorgeous. And then we move right into an asymmetrical pixie cut. Next up, we have another gorgeous bob haircut. I'm loving the swoop bangs here on that one. And then we move into yet another bob with bangs. Very nice, simple, and chic hairstyle with the center parts. So next up we have another hair transformation. So it looks like she's going to get a cut refresh here. Stylist is doing a pixie bob haircut for this one. I love the cascading back. It really adds a lot of texture and volume to the hair. Swoop bangs going there in the front. This is like a very retro inspired style. So chic and classic. So next up we have another haircut transformation. So she already has some bangs going there in the front, and it looks like she wants to go shorter. So the stylist is doing a bob haircut for this one as well. So this bob also has bangs in the front. She has more of a fringe style full bang going there. Kind of looks like a shaggy bob the way that he shapes the bangs. Very cute style. Next up, we just have a beautiful blunt bob haircut. Ends just around the jawline and features a center part down the middle. And then we hop into yet another long to short transformation. Her hair is like almost waist length hair. Stylist does a nice, fresh, wavy bob. Very nice. And then here we have another haircut transformation. The stylist is kind of shaping the hair here. Cutting the ends, and she did some layers. Very nice. And the layers definitely gives your hair a lot more volume and texture overall. So here we have another long to short. Another beautiful bob on the way. Oh, love it. Her hair is so thick and full. And then here we have someone with long mid-back length hair. She's got a gorgeous thick texture to her strands. Stylist cuts off those ponytails and bam, reveals this stunning pixie. I love the way that this came out. Such a cute style. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed all of these most wanted haircut ideas that you can try out this season. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.